Shauoor donation system. Donate online for Shauoor Welfare Foundation. How to make one-time donations? Visit shauoororgpk. Click the red donate button and choose from the list of donation forms. Donate via Meezan bank checkout using Visa or Mastercard. Select the donation form on donations page. Enter the donation amount. Click donate. If you are a new donor, fill up your name, email, phone number and address for the first time only. Register and log in to proceed. If you want to pay using Visa or Mastercards, choose Meezan bank payment method. Make sure that you have entered correct email address to receive your username and password. Check your email for login credentials. Choose cover the transaction fees to donate the full amount. Proceed to checkout. Enter your credit card details. We respect your privacy. Remember, we will not save your credit card information on our website. It will be saved directly in Meezan bank system. Check your email or SMS for verification code or OTP. Wait for the transaction to be processed. After the successful transaction, you will see a thank you message with your transaction details. You will receive an email receipt. Donation checkout via direct bank transfer. You can choose any of the urgent appeals from our homepage. Enter the donation amount. Choose a donation type if prompted. Click donate. If you are a returning donor, you need to log in and donate. No need to fill the registration form again. You can also save your password if logged in with your personal device. Choose payment method and click donate now. After the form submission, you will see a thank you message with your transaction details. You will receive an email with the message. Your transaction is on hold until we receive your donation in our bank account. Once we receive your donation in our bank account, we will send you a transaction completed email. Log in and access your account. To manage your donations, view donation status and history. Edit account details. We are cordially grateful for your contribution. See you again on shauoororgpk.